Kia. Movement that inspires.
Hi guys, welcome to Stockton Kia. So it was a lovely 2021 Toyota Yaris Hybrid. It's a 1.5 XL model, 15,500 miles. Lovely smooth car, fantastic looking, really sporty looking. That new design on the Yaris is a great looking car on there. Got daytime running lights, colour coded parking sensors in the front. Going down the side, got these beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels. Really give it a nice sporty presence on the car. Your colour coded trims, privacy glass to the rear. Same terms like the curves and the flared arches at the back. It really is a fantastic looking car, the Toyota Yaris. Colour code sensors at the back as well, and that reversing camera. It's got all round parking aids. In terms of the interior, got a nice lighter interior which contrasts lovely against that metallic grey paint. It's got a part leather theme. Isofix points, there's two sets of Isofix points, but there's plenty of space for three in the back. Run through some interior features on the car, but it's lovely low mileage. 2 keys, full history. Lovely, lovely car indeed. So on the interior then, it's the same in the back and the front. You've got that light part leather, get my words out. Trim interior, centralised armrest. Flexible drive mode, EV mode as well. So you've got the charge in the car, you can actually isolate it into EV mode if you're going into any cities with congestion or anything like that. So you've got your digital radio currently running, Bluetooth on there as well. And you've got the sort of diagrams which help you understand a bit more about the energy monitor, the flow, what's driving the wheels at any particular time. So it's a good insight into how the car works and how it runs. Obviously on this screen as well is your reversing camera with the parking lines, crystal clear camera. Got things like dual air conditioning, USB charge, but in terms of condition wise, fantastic condition inside out, been very well maintained by the previous keeper. All door cards have got this sort of nice grey effect on them. So say just under 15,500 miles on the vehicle. Got all your digital speedo on there. Things like your lane assists, limiters, cruise, and then obviously audio on this side. But it really is a lovely car to drive. If you're in the market for a hybrid or you're just looking for a little automatic, this is an absolute beautiful choice to consider. There's many finance options on this vehicle. If you are interested in this Yaris XL Hybrid, do get in contact here at Stockton Kia. My name is Matthew. Be more than happy to assist you with your inquiry.
Kia. Movement that inspires.